Okay, blowing a sprinkler system out with a very small compressor. This is just a little guy, 2 horsepower. Let's see here. 2 horsepower, 5.2 cubic feet per minute at 40 psi, or 4.2 at 90 psi. 115 psi max. So a very small compressor. And I have a small system here, just five heads, one there. 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. So it is a fairly small system, and you can use a small compressor like this. You don't need one of these big truck mounted or trailer mounted compressors to do this. It's better that way because you have lots of cubic feet per minute of airflow at lower PSI, but you can get away with doing your own system with a small compressor like this. I'm going to show you how. Do this at your own risk though, because if you do get a frozen line or something, that's on you. This is what I do. This is a demonstration of what I do. So first, I've got the water supply shut off inside, and we'll tap into the main line here. Just with this little plastic plug here we'll pull out. My valves are in here. 3 zones. One of them is abandoned, so we'll just do the 2 zones. This zone and this zone, one at a time. Now in the line here, I've just got a quick connect fitting and a brass bushing to connect into that T. And it just seals up just with the plastic on the brass. Give it a bit of a turn here. And we'll have the outlet valve off because we're going to introduce the air by turning on that valve. And then we'll connect our air hose up and start building pressure. Okay, so we'll open the first valve and let some air in. A little bit at first. Because we're just pushing water at first, so you don't want too much PSI. And there the compressor's kicked on. So after a while, that compressor is going to run out of air. So all we'll do then, cut the air off and let it build back up. And we'll do this a few times until at the low point we start seeing very little water coming out, just mostly air. So we'll do it a couple more times and then call it a day. Now we'll do the other circuit. Slow at first. One more time. It's empty now, so we'll go full right away with a full tank. Okay, and that's it. Take that out, put the cap back in, and that's how you can blow your sprinklers out with a very small compressor, assuming you just have a small residential lot. In my opinion, you don't need to hire it out, but your mileage may vary. Thanks for watching.